morning, everyone. Yesterday we saw bounce back in the international market, especially US, and the market was up by almost around over 1.5%. Uh, Apart from that, if we see the futures of the US market are more of a flattish, whereas Asian market are showing some positive trends. The bigger trend is continuing in commodity, wherein oil has moved up to around $117 from yesterday level of $100, and a few days back of around 90 dollars. Aluminium is up by around 3%, copper is up by around 1.5%, iron ore is up by around 8%, and steel is up by around 3%. Coal in the especially from South Africa, coal is up very sharply yesterday again. That is to $427 from level of around $300. So that is creating some extraordinary movement in the coal prices in that area. Whereas if we see the Chinese market, the movement is not so sharp. It's moving up, but not like what is happening in Richard Bay coal prices of South Africa. So overall, commodity continue to move higher, mainly driven by this Ukraine and Russia geopolitical issues, and will continue to do so until we see some positive light on that side. Yesterday, U.S. Fed president has reiterated that they are on course to increase interest rates in the coming meeting, and minimum 25% or even more can also be increased in the meeting. So overall scene looks comparatively positive for today. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, yesterday we see some momentum in Nifty and Bank Nifty also in second half. We see the upside immediate resistance for Nifty 16,700 and downside support place around 16,400. So we see Nifty trading within this range. If Nifty breaks 16,700, then we expect further momentum towards 16,800 and 900 in upside towards the 200 DMA. So we see we wait to break out this important resistance in upside. If Nifty sustain first half say 16,700, then we expect further momentum. Otherwise, Nifty trading within this range only. And Bank Nifty also see yesterday some selling pressure, and second half we see the bounce back at near the 35,000 range. Upside immediate resistance place around 35,400 and 35,600 in upside. If Bank Nifty break that level, then we expect towards 36,000 and above this range, and downside important support place around 35,000 and 34,730 at downside. Nifty finance also trading in the range only. Upside immediate resistance place around 16,300. Above that resistance, then next important resistance is 16,380 and 400 in upside. Downside important support place around 16,150. So today we expect or slightly open a positive note, but we wait for first half if Nifty and all three index break important private level in upside. Then we expect further momentum. Otherwise, Nifty trading in this week range is sideways upside 16,700 and 16,400. Stock specific, Cummins India looks positive at current level. Upside 1,000 first target, and stop loss place around 940 downside. Second, Reliance Industry also looks positive at current level. Mazgaon Dog also looks positive at current level. Upside 260 to 64 and support place around 240 at downside. That's it for technical. Derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. Good morning, everyone. So, as per yesterday's derivative data, on the weekly basis, we are seeing that the OI positions between 16,600 to 17,000 strike heavy call writer positions are getting added up. While on the flip front, we are seeing that from 16,700 to 900 strike put writer positions are getting unwinded. So, this is a negative scenario. So as per the overall monthly position, we are seeing that 16,500 is holding strong support on the downside. Once if Nifty on the weekly basis is closing below 16,500 level, then we might witness the sell-off to be between 16,200 to 16,000 strike. So currently view is cautious till the point of time Nifty is not giving a closing or getting stable or 16,700 level. Till that point of time, we maintain a sell on rise to range bound strategy on the nearest striker. So currently the range for the Nifty for next 1 to 2 days would be 16,400 to 16,700 strike. As you are seeing that India Wix yesterday again came near 30 levels. So till the time India Wix is not going below 22 level, till that point of time we might witness heavy volatility in the market. So currently, as per the overall scenario and as per the overall data points, we expect a market to show some range bound to cautious momentum in coming 1 to 2 trading sessions. While on the monthly we have initiated a short strategy on the Nifty at the currently in yesterday's session, we have seen that almost the strategy is gaining around 50 to 70 points premium in yesterday trading session. So hold the strategy for next 2 to 3 days. If once a Nifty gives a closing around 16 or 500 level in next 2 to 3 days, more 50 to 70 points premium we might witness in coming trading sessions. That's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. On Maruti, semiconductor supplies, which had started improving, have again taken a hit in the month of March, affecting the production plans. So partly this could be also because of the ongoing war of Russia with Ukraine. We have read some articles which are saying that chip supplies will be affected because of this reason also. According to other vendors who supply, who take orders from Maruti, the ancillaries, they have said that Maruti has reduced its guidance from earlier projection of 1,60,000 units for the month of March to production figure of just 1,40,000. So it is negative for Maruti. Also, institutional team has initiated coverage on Poonawalla Fincorp. The earlier name for this company was Magma Fincorp. This company aims to be a tech-enabled NBFC with focus on consumer and SME loans. It is a subsidiary of Rising Sun Holdings, which is owned by Adar Poonawalla. Rising Sun invested 3,200 crores last year in February 2021 and purchased a 61% stake. Since then, we have witnessed the change in senior leadership team, realignment of product portfolio, improvement in credit rating, and also adoption of conservative credit policies. The company aims to increase its loan book by 3 times between FY21 and 24, which translates to a loan CAGR of 30%. Since the announcement last year, the Poonawalla Group taking over the company, the stock has run up by 5 times and already captures most of the turnaround story. However, currently it is trading at 3 times 1 year forward price to book, whereas ROEs are likely to remain in low teens until FY25 because of very high leverage. Target price given by the institutional team is 260 rupees, against which the current market price is 240. So although the story looks interesting and because of change in management, performance should definitely improve, but currently stock looks a bit costly. If it falls below 200, one can look at investing in this company. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, UPL has finally announced a share buyback from open market. They are doing around 1100 crores buyback, and it would be done not maximum of 875 rupees per share. Since the promoters are not participating in this buyback, the buyback, the promoter shareholding is likely to increase from 28.2 to 28.7%. So this is positive for UPL, and we expect the same in today's trade. Thank you.
Maharashtra government has announced further easing of opening up due to COVID. And now the film exhibition exhibition and mall and all are likely to function before COVID level at 100% capacity. So that can act positive for film exhibition companies like PVR and Inox, and also restaurant and mall companies. So that can act a bit positive for them. And apart from that, we are seeing steel prices increase even in the domestic market. Jindal Steel and Power has uh, increased the prices by almost around 3,000 rupees, and that can act bit positive for the company. So that's all from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.